Do it in a left-right order. Lay the arms flatwise and apply essential oil from the lower arm to the upper arm with 2 hands till the hands slide out, and repeat it for 3 times. Push the entire arm with 2 palms, doing it by turns. Repeat 3 times. Push large intestine channel LI, 三焦 channel SJ, small intestine channel SI over the outer arm till armpit with the V-shaped wave in the area between thumb and the index finger of 2 hands. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Rub the 3 channels and the clitoris back and forth with kneading fingers till it becomes hot. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Lay the arm upwards and push lung channel LU, pericardium channel PC, heart channel HT of the inner arm till armpit with the V-shaped wave area between thumb and index finger. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Rub the 3 channels and the clitoris back and forth with kneading fingers till it becomes hot. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part till the hem slide out. Repeat 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detox with body grease cup. It accelerates blood circulation, expels toxin, enhances the functions of blood vessels, and improves varicosity. Set time to about 15 minutes, and suction can be adjusted in accordance with individual tolerance, and select M2. Lay the arms flatwise. Push one eye after another till armpit, along large intestine channel LI, 三焦 channel SJ, small intestine channel SI over the outer arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move circle-wise to your armpit along the 3 channels and the collaterals of the outer arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move circle-wise on upper arm with a slack flush. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push to your armpit along the 3 channels and the collaterals of the outer arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lay the arms flatwise. Push one eye after another to your armpit along large intestine channel LI, 三焦 channel SJ, small intestine channel SI of the outer arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move circle-wise to your armpit along the 3 channels and the collaterals of the inner arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move circle-wise on the fat part of upper arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push to your armpit along the 3 channels and the collaterals of the inner arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Tying up one end of the Y-shaped rubber hose and insert the other end to the suitable jack of the vacuum cup. Eliminate dumplings and toxin with body vacuum cup. It can dispel coldness and dumplings, drainage channels and collaterals, promote flow of qi and blood circulation. Set time to about 15 minutes, and suction can be adjusted in accordance with individual tolerance. And select M2. Lay the arms flatwise. Push one eye after another to your armpit along large intestine channel LI, 三焦 channel SJ, small intestine channel SI of the outer arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lay the arms upwards. Push one eye after another to your armpit along large intestine channel LI, 三焦 channel SJ, small intestine channel SI of the inner arm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Insert the two ends of the Y-shaped rubber hose to the jacks of two vacuum pumps, respectively. And leave them there for about 5 to 10 minutes, and select M1. Set the time as per client's situation. It's prohibited to treat underarm lumbar with cupping. Take the vacuum cups down and clean the arms with towel. Drainage channels and collaterals with EMS pads. EMS can form skin, drainage channels and collaterals, and adjust metabolism. Set time to 15 minutes and set energy level between 1 and 3. Fasten the band onto arms. Don't make it too tight, and adjust it to a proper level, otherwise it may make people feel uncomfortable. Apply a proper amount of gel to EMS pad. Fasten EMS pad onto the fat part of arms. Press start and wait for 15 minutes. Take out EMS pad and untie the band. Remove gel from the arms with towel.